wearing cap because season is changing and you must wear and you must take precautions because there are many diseases going on. So guys, today we are going to make a beautiful thing. Think what we are going to make. In that only simple thing that we need is that a scissor and a A4 size sheet. So guys, let's begin. Okay guys, so let me show you it with pink color only as usual, my favorite color. Here is my pink one. Okay guys, so first this is our paper. We are going to fold it in two from the between. Okay guys, see, like this we have to do it. And guys, for making this you would be thinking that why I have folded it. Guys, first we are going to make cuts from here, then we are going to make the cuts from here. So guys, let us begin now. See, like this. If you are smaller, then please take the help of your parents because it may be harmful for you. Okay guys, see, I am not cutting it fully. I am just cutting it till it's how much you want. I am cutting that much. Okay guys, this how much you want, that much you cut. And guys, Diwali is also coming. And in advance, I wish you all a very happy Diwali. You would be thinking that I would be making a fan. No. Think more. And if you know the name of this, then please write it in the below comment box. And guys, you comment me below that which video should I make. So guys, from this side I have cutted it. Now I am cutting it from this side. This also we have not to cut it full. Okay. See. Okay guys, like this. We have not to cut it fully. If you will cut it full, then the strips of paper will come out. And that we do not want. Okay guys, just look at it how I am doing and do the same pattern. Okay guys, do like this. Let me show you. See, till this I have done them like this. See, See, I have done them like this. Now these my rest are remaining. I'm going to do the same with the others. Guys, my next video is tell me that next video should I make of study or of art and craft or of anything else. So guys, let it resemble like this. First I have to open them, see, like this. I have to open this. See guys, like this, I have to open these. It is going to take a lot of time, so I am starting it quickly. Okay guys, see. This is below. Now this is the upper. This is the below. Up. See. Up and down. It is. Make sure that your paper do not. See, it will begin like this. If it is done in a proper way, yes. My some strips have came properly. Some are see it is again like this. Some has been resolved, some are being done. See, this also, if you are small, take the help of your mother and father. Okay guys, please take the help of your mother and father, because it is little tough for you if you are small, but I am bigger, so at least I can do. So guys, I have opened it and this is being ready. So guys, we can do it for our home decor also. So guys, if you like this beautiful video, so give a thumbs up and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Guys, why are you not subscribing to my channel? Which videos you are seeing in the comment box that I am making, but then also you are not subscribing my channel. Please go and subscribe my channel and leave a comment. I will surely reply. Bye bye guys.